Hey there foodies, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a crispy and cheesy delight. Crispy golden potato cheese snack. Trust me, you won't be able to resist these golden bites. Let's dive right in. First peel and dice some potatoes. Boil it till it gets nicely cooked. Strain it and add it to a bowl. Mash it really well till it becomes really smooth. Into that add some cornstarch and mix it nicely. Sprinkle some water in between and make it into a smooth dough like this. Take a small portion of the potato mixture and flatten it in your palm to create a patty. Place a cube of your favorite cheese in the center of each potato patty. Carefully fold the potato mixture around the cheese, ensuring it's completely sealed. Repeat this process until you have used all the potato mixture. Time to get these beauties ready for their golden bath. Heat up some oil in a pan. Once it's hot, carefully place our potato patties into the oil. Fry them until they turn beautiful golden brown on both sides. Our potato cornstarch with cheese filling snacks are ready. Drain any excess oil on a paper towel. Now look at these crispy, cheesy delights, perfect for snacking or as a party appetizer. And there you have it, our potato cornstarch with cheese filling, a delightful combination of crispy potatoes and gooey cheese. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more delicious content, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Thanks for joining me today. Until next time, happy cooking!